Those stylish images and videos you keep seeing people create, how do they do that? Well, there's different ways, but Leonardo.AI can show you how. All right, you want to generate those cool images, but you've tried Bing, you've tried other things, but you want something more stylistic, more interesting. Leonardo.AI I really like, and I've used this to generate a lot of images myself. So you are the first to create. You just come here, type prompt. We can make images, we can make videos. You can absolutely make awesome stuff right here, right now with the power of your prompt. So what do you do here? Well, you can see right here, you have a library, you have prints, you have images, you have everything ready to go. You just need to go ahead and be creative. Check out the different blueprints like we can see here. Got Leo. So what I'm going to do, just give it a second here. It's going to load up and we can see all the awesome stuff right here. So anime, if you want to do product unboxing, if you want to do the holographic runner, there's so much stuff you can do here and get inspiration from. I also have even included audio, but I'm going to keep it simple for you guys. So we can do images, auto. You can come up with a style. Do we want dynamic? Do we want vibrant? That's how they're getting these different things. I like dynamic. Then show me a monkey in a top hat. You can also pick how it's going to look, ratio. Right now, we are just focusing on images. So we can go ahead and generate. You do want to go ahead and log in. Just going to go ahead and log in through Google. And then we're going to be good to go. Look, see, they're already generating cool images here. I'm going to hit let's go. So show me a monkey in a top hat. See, there you go. That was super quick. Show me a monkey in a top hat dancing. Boop. Now, I've used most of my credits, but you can make some pretty cool videos here. And in my opinion, this is super, compared to a lot of other ones, this is super quick. As you saw, I just hit it, image is done. Do another click, video is going to be done too. Now, the video is going to take a while, so you can also do some other cool stuff here. So audio is new. Hey, what's up? Now, this is going to take more credits than I have. Obviously, you can come up with like 3D images if you want to do that. Flow state, even you get some cool like inspiration here, like we saw with Leonardo. You can do that as well, or with Bing. That's going to be something I think a lot of people are going to say, wow, that's absolutely amazing. And even here, comparing it to all the other ones, you know, aside from like maybe Pixaverse or Higgsfield, you can generate videos for free. So people say like, how do I want to generate AI videos, but I don't want to use, you know, all my credits up in a day. And I don't want to, you know, jump on this subscription, that subscription, or do whatever else. This makes it very simple and very easy. So now we're almost done here, and you just wait until it finishes. Then we can see the engine right here. So we have the Hulu, we have the portions. Let's see what we've done here. Now, I've used this to generate a lot of different things, business professional things, very cool looking things, just right here. Now, you can also check out what you got here for inspiration. You can pick different styles here. If you want to do clay, if you want to do color sketch, if you want to do lighting, if you want to do color, you can randomize it. You can also randomize the color. So come in, play with it. That is it for this tutorial. I think this is really cool. The only other thing I'll say is you can also change the video if you want. If you want C dance, if you want one, if you want grok, if you want any of these, Google VO. Pick the one that suits you best and let her rip. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next one.